We are going to give the tour, but first we need to do some repairs because there was a big rainstorm. So let's get into a video. This is the fireplace, and this is where we wash things, and it used to be our bridge, but now it's just a waterfall. Our shed, and we just had a rainstorm and it kept everything dry, so that's what this looks like. Over here, you'll find the main fort where we have 2 windows. One is accidental, and the tarp is tied onto the sticks. The sticks are on the ground. And this is what the inside looks like. It's actually pretty roomy, but especially for like one person, and it's really tall too. And that's the window, the main one anyway. And then come out here, and this is where our woodlot is. Then and we're planning on expanding the fort to the bridge. It's our crust, and up here you will find, this is our Ninja Warrior wall, and the creek. And this is also where we break rocks open and see what's inside. We have a collection of crystals and cool colored rocks in the middle. Murphy's up there. And there's really not that much on this except this creek. And you can go further down this creek or further down this creek. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the tour.
Did it go through the creek?
We don't know. We just got out of there. So we're going back. Yeah, I was just thinking that.
What?
I was just thinking that. There's no
fresh tracks here. So they didn't go through. They just like went
probably
right to the limit.
You just said.
I'm on side of the world. Hey, I can't copyright. I'm on top of it. You can't do it. I'm on top of the world.
Yeah, I'm on side of the world. Wait, I need to get like you inside of the world.
I'm on side of the world.
I'm on side of the world. Hold up. All right, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay outdoors. Bye.
We just pull it at the end.